Vocabulary 29, here we go. Remember, your goal may not be to learn all the words if they are all new, but hopefully you can learn at least a couple that you'll carry forward as you read books and in your writing. So, first word, guaranteed. Guaranteed means promise or made certain. So, the salesman guaranteed my satisfaction with the new car, meaning he said it is definitely going to happen. I can guarantee you Mom's never seen anything like this, is from the first story, Trouble with Mogriffs. These are all from part 1 and part 2. Thrilled. Thrilled means excited. So he was thrilled to be able to ride the roller coaster. Something is thrilling. It's exciting. It thrills me. It excites me. So you can change the tense of the word and exactly like the endings, the suffixes and things, and it still works. She'll be thrilled with her new pet. So she'll be excited with her new pet. Vase. Vase is a word you probably have heard. It's an open container, usually meant to hold flowers. People put other things in them as well. So you could say he put the roses in the vase to surprise his mom. In this story, it has taken on its liquid form. Trap it in the vase. That's how it is used. Pest. Pest is someone or something that annoys or bothers. Another word for it would be a nuisance. So you could say mosquitoes are pests. In the story, she says, "Quit running, you little pest." Some of you might call your siblings pests because they annoy you. Expand. Expand means to get bigger. So she made the balloon expand by blowing it up. In its gaseous form, the Mogriff can expand or shrink to fill whatever space it needs to. So when it is a gas, gases can expand and shrink based on the space that they have available. Shrink, to get smaller. The story that I just read had that in it as well. Or you could say Ant-Man can shrink to a very small size. Get smaller. There's an old movie, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, meaning like past tense of shrink. Let me know if you have questions. See, I told you. Did I say that would be short? Anyway, nice and short. Good luck.